Yeah, I'm Piper run so slow, man. We have a garden and the place still
Clean.
tidy.
Why is
Hey,
the bushes?
what,
Why are the bushes like that?
what
Huh?
boat are you doing around here?
Both of us, Pops. Don't say that. I'm telling him that he needs to sharpen up the edges of the plant.
And by the way, Taj, why are you coming to work so late?
What, Pops? No, sir. He came very early this morning.
Very early.
But you know, he's a good worker. He just needs guidance. That's why I have to came out here and tell him that he needs to be sharpening up. You know?
Oh, so you're guiding him?
Yes, Pops.
Oh, well,
Showing him what he needs to get done.
yeah, cause I
Because I
can.
see that you and Skinny, we're busy. So I'm just like telling him that he needs to fire up.
Yeah, and let him get the walker and walk up this grass. The place is full enough of
Yes,
too much grass.
yes,
And it's
Dad.
gathering some mosquito as well.
Yes, that's what I was trying to tell him. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Pop. So you can finish up. I'm going back inside. All
Okay.
right.
Yeah, man. So, Taj, yeah, man, you could just go and get out the grass then, because you know, like how the grass, just full up of grass. So, why you don't get the walker?
Mr. Dice, it's what kind of really neat and fine, Mr. Dice. Me love do it with my hand, because me do it with my hand, the weed in the grass better. You get it neat and fine, better than you walk.
Alright, well, if it's that the way you do it and you do it good, well, I don't have a problem. I just want to know that you get all the grass around here, okay?
Alright, Mr. Dice. Alright, respect, sir.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Alright.
Listen, sir,
True,
take it
true.
easy,
Yeah, man.
Your man, go good, sir.
Yeah, man, everything good so far. I'm just him cooking some food inside, so I'll soon call you and let you get some food.
Alright, sir. Thank you. Bless up, sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's look
man.
out for me,
It's true, true.
Yeah, man. Weed the grass. More hedges them. Think I work more and use a stepdaughter. Your daughter-in-law, we having them more rummage hedges them around the garden. Cut down that big tree there. Put some work on that, you see. Okay. Girl can't manage salon boy, you know. Salon boy heavy on you, girl. Hey, what that? I'm not a spider, do this. How can I come take myself and do it? So do that, man. Oh, man. And we do it a working long time. You know how long me a work. Leave yourself. You know about me.
Yo, Paps.
I'm going, my boy.
True.
True, where are they?
They go up on the road for true, you know.
So, where you going on the road to do?
Link up on my virgin.
Oh,
Link up on my virgin. They want me to do it in field, so. Deal with it fast and come back quick for true.
true. Do you have to do, man? I don't
Yeah.
just be careful on the road, because you don't know the street no nice, you know.
Paps, you go up on the site already?
Yeah, you know me. I went down there and I see they're going on with the work, but they need to speed up faster so we can get the job complete by such time.
Yeah, cause one local thing I go and do, you know, cause tired of home, sick, you know. They home every day, all day. My business up, man, so I can, you know.
Yeah,
Have a
man.
thing I go on.
It's really good to see that you're interested in doing something now, Skinny.
Yeah, Pops.
Yeah, man.
Let's-
So,
Let's think of full time now.
for true.
Yeah, Pops.
Yeah, man, because if you sit down a yard and there yard with the man every day, that not bringing nothing in your pocket. So you have to set a foundation so you can, when you're youth forward,
Yeah.
you know, say, yeah, I'm on a steady foundation, so you not have to live certain way. Even though I don't let you live certain type of life, but
That a
you
true,
should
Pops.
make it better for him also, so he can live better than you.
True. That a true, Pops.
True.
That too still, cooking a really pressure me still about money and them thing, So, really, it's not a thing where me frustrated because she pressure me for money or anything like that. So, it's just that as you say, I just want, have sitting phone me would forward, me can,
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think about it lately, man, and I look forward for it happen this year.
Yeah, I would be really grateful for to having my grandson because
That a true.
I'm getting old now and I
of
would
course.
like to walk with my grandson in the park, and
For sure.
we can have some fun. Yeah, man, so I want to work on it very fast too.
Yeah, I'm not too tired too long in a Pops, cause don't promise my G say me a circle right now, so we chatting forward back, man,
Yeah, man,
Alright, so far, Pops.
just know what you do when you do what you do, yeah?
Alright, Pops. So for true.
True.
Yeah.
Just be careful of your friend them when you keep, cause them a friend nowadays not easy, As you start elevating a life, and them same one where you help and them a try to take you down. Just be wise, my son. Yeah? Good boy.
Shoot.
He's sleepy, man. I'm face are sleepy.
Cookie. 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 Yes, sleep, man. So that's knockout, man. Sleeping. Yeah, man.
Good.
So that's. So that's. So that's. So that's. So that's. So that's. See you call it white powder. So when you use this for you, now do you know in Mr. Dice? Now do you know? Just to make you sleep good amount of hours. Good amount of hours, but do you know? Alright? That worked. One could be more dose in case. Okay. Baby. Baby.
Taj! Are you crazy?
Oh.
What are you doing in here?
Easy yourself, man. Easy yourself. Easy, man.
You can't just come in the house like that, Taj.
Yeah, just easy now. Watch out. Shh. Come on. Come here.
What?
tell us something, see if your boy just left out of the place and thing, you know.
Be come show you something.
What?
Just tell us my program for your bridging and I know so you're not even there about the place. Come just come and see Pops and sleep your stepfather and something and I just
What if he wakes up?
wake up.
Yeah.
Don't worry your head about that, man. I want to look at something they call it white powder.
Taj, really?
Oh, where you go there? I push
Are you real? Are you start taking drugs now?
kind of drugs? Just easy yourself. Calm down, no man. Easy yourself. No drugs, don't take your son. I say this name. White powder. Different from white server. Yeah.
So,
You take me for fool. Eh? You take me for jughead. You take me for crackhead. You take me for idiot. You take me for cokehead. You take me for one baboon. You know. Easy yourself, man. This name white powder. You realize how? Watch out. White powder. Look on it. Smell it. Y'all can smell it. Nothing out there, girl. Watch out now. You can go over him right now and make pay nice and in a way. Just watch out. You good as.
you crazy?
No man, just easy now. Watch out now.
This
Listen.
is not drugs, Taj.
Easy yourself. Just listen to what me I say now, babes. Babes, hear me I say. About 1 to 2 minutes now since me go in this and come in there and you come out so. So you good as I work effectively right now. Watch out. It's a dice. You see that? Come, say something. Well, talk to you now. Just say something. Mr. Dice! Wait!
Go.
Yo! Yeah, hear me father! Mr. Dice, sir! Yo! Tell her, I not even realize, man. Tell her.
Dad? Are you...
You don't realize? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it.
Where's Skinny?
Down the road, me tell you, say him already gone. Understand? So, come on, let's go. Clap.
Where?
Clap.
Are you serious?
Yes, just come on. Listen. Come on. Yeah. Just easy. You're too force right. Force right. Yeah, baby, you got it.
Taj, you're a monster.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, baby, you know I am.
Taj, you're a monster.
Baby, keep on saying that. Yes, baby.
Oh my God.
I know you love it.
Taj,
Every day, baby. I love you.
you're a monster.
I love you, baby. I'm always gonna be here for you, baby. Cookie.
Yes.
Cookie.
Yes.
Cookie.